In this video, I will be talking about what is Cloud CMA. Cloud CMA is a comprehensive program free to Bay East MLS members. It is designed to help you, the agent, look good in front of your client. Within Cloud CMA, you have the option of making a comprehensive market analysis or CMA report, a buyer's tour, a property tour, and also you can generate a flyer. To gain access to Cloud CMA, make sure you log on to Paragon first. Then, when you are logged onto Paragon, click on Resources. Then you can click on Cloud CMA. Once you have clicked on Cloud CMA, you will see this landing page. Make sure you click on Activate. For this example, I just want my free member benefit. It will then ask you for your name and your email. It will then ask you to agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, and DMCA policy. Once you click Activate Free Products, you are now able to use Cloud CMA. You now just learned and finished setting up your Cloud CMA. Now you are inside Cloud CMA. Up on the top, you can see the 4 options that I mentioned. You can make a CMA report, a buyer's tour, a property report, and also a flyer. And now you know what Cloud CMA is and how to access it.